Welcome to our full guide on how to buy V-Bucks with an Amazon gift card. V-Bucks are the in-game currency for Fortnite that lets you purchase skins, emotes, and much more. Did you know you can use Amazon gift cards to get your V-Bucks? It's a simple and convenient method many gamers use. First, let's check your Amazon gift card balance. Log into your Amazon account and head to your account. Then click on Gift Cards to see your balance. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for purchasing V-Bucks through Amazon. We'll make it easy to follow. Open the Amazon app or website and search for V-Bucks in the search bar. This will bring up various options. You'll see different V-Bucks packages available for purchase. Choose the one that fits your gaming needs best. At checkout, you'll have the option to redeem your Amazon gift card. Simply enter the code and apply. Once you confirm your purchase, you should receive a V-Bucks code instantly via email or on the screen. Now, jump into Fortnite and navigate to the store to redeem your V-Bucks code. Enter the code, and you're all set. Finally, here are some tips and frequently asked questions to optimize your experience using Amazon gift cards for V-Bucks.